So, you want to log into a conference on Canvas, but you've never logged into Canvas before. What do? Well, the first thing you want to do is go to your IAM login. You can get through this through either the Lexington City Schools webpage or your school's webpage. Simply click on the IAM login button. You'll be directed to the NC EdCloud IAM login page. Enter your username, then your password, and voila, you're here. The next thing you're going to want to do is to click on the Canvas icon. Look for the course that says I3 Leadership League. Okay? Click on the link for that course, and you'll enter into I3 Leadership League. Next, on the sidebar, look for the label that says Conferences. Click on Conferences, and you'll see a list of conferences that have been created. Choose the conference that you wish to join, and click the Join button. You'll then be directed to grant your computer a series of permissions, whether it's to use Flash Player, or to determine how you want to listen in and participate with the conference. After you choose the option that is best for you, you'll be good to go. If you have any questions about logging into Canvas conferences, you can contact the person listed in the notes section below. Thanks much. Have a good day.